Anna. Yeah, she finally arrived, so we're gonna try and pull her hair out of a ponytail. No.
Watch out, puppy cat.
Alright, ready? Hold your horses, dude! Mother. And there goes the headband. Ah!